Snow plowing. Where you headed? Oh, go little squirrely. Yeah, brought it back, saves it. Straight into the competition.
There you go. And came back. Man, I thank you, bro. You're a
good timing.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Got a snow day out here.
Out on the XR70 today. We're gonna see if I can keep this thing upright. We're gonna try to make it all the way to Jay Needs Tires house, which is about 12 miles. Brakes working, wheel bearings are shot. We're gonna build some speed up here and make it to Jay's. The 70 pulling about 12 miles an hour down the snowy hill. We're gonna gain a little speed, take the back way to Jay's. Should be covered in snow. They made a section just for me. Custom donies, nice and tight. Carving through and switch it. XR70 snow plowing. If we can get up this hill, I'll be impressed. We're gonna go through the snow. Well, I was making progress until it seems like I broke a throttle cable going full tilt in the snow. Now I gotta ride it with the on-off switch as the throttle. And I gotta slow down, I gotta turn it off to slow down. Kick it back on. Had to switch it up. Slick tires, snow wheelies, snow whirly, one-handed. Street tires are hooking up in the ice slush. Oh, there was almost first crash of the day. BMXer. We got BMX. We got a lawnmower. We got the tractor out. Let's get it. We got the Murray. One time. My guy. Where you headed? Where you headed? Where you going? Okay. He going to the gas station. That was the best option, huh?
Yeah, I'm coming for that right there.
Okay. Tractor into the gas station to get some snacks, probably a couple lotto tickets. Keep it real out there, you know, you gotta get what you want to get at the times you gotta get it. We outside with it, taking the turn with street tires in the ice. What? Ain't ready for that. First person to ride the bike highway, let's go. Oh, she's slick. Drifting means crashing. Ah! She's walking out on me. Oh yeah. Hit the snow. Oh yeah. Hit the snow gap. Rich the IRC tire guy over here. Adam Raymond. Dry spot. Close trail. Hand drag. Both 110s over here, Jays. This is Edgeworthy. Yeah. Just cutting. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to do much back here. Momentum game. Oh, Jay just be chopping, slicing, dicing, pizza cutting with these pizza cutters out here. I got a quick second. Jumping in the snow? Yeah.
We gotta blaze a trail.
Oh, this one's gonna be tough. Oh, down into the creek. Jay's just slinging them. Flintstone break. Almost had the second crash of the day. Don't crash in the brown snow. Yeah. Mag squigglies down Jay's driveway. The big man up out here. One hand on TTR. Snow life. Woo! Oh, he's ripping. Hey, put it up with your friends. Drifting Jay all day. Yeah. Easier to handle in these slick conditions. He's really handling it. This guy, yeah. Oh, this guy's slinging. He's got the The coveralls and the boots. Woo! Really tearing up this whole street, yo! Just get traction where you can out here. You're not gonna get it everywhere. You gotta find it where you can. Yeah, I was out wide in this one. Oh, this road got caked. Yeah, oh, way out there. That's how it's done, folks. That bike control, the throttle control, and the steering. Yo! Oh, little squirrel, yeah, brought it back, saves it. All back to life. Just ripping. Yeah, this is the lane for it. Third, fourth, oh, into a drift. Aye! We was right down that one. Jay came right into the front row seats here. Drift Kings. Invest your money with Jay and Drift Kings instead of Draft Kings wasting your money. Invest with this guy. He's gonna show you a good time every time. There's no way it's gonna make it through this, is it? It's making, oh, it's like, oh! About took a leg out. Oh, about to take me out. Oh! Oh, slid into the yard. Yeah. Oh, bro, sent it into that one. Oh, I see him whipping. Jay's throwing the bike into the drift now. He's getting more comfortable, dude. Whipped it. Tires actually got to cut through. I'm slipping. Oh! We're gonna go to the bottom and we're gonna race to the top. But you can't put your feet down. Traction wars? Feet up. Alright. Go starting line. Yeah. Drifted into the competition, I see. That's a nice tactic. Straight into the competition. Right up into the competition, this guy. He's got these new tactics. On your mark. Get set. Go. I'm hooking. I'm schooling him. Oh, this part's tough. Trying to gain some speed and really show him his balls. Oh no! Into the curb? You okay?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I couldn't handle the power and the intensity of the race.
He did a super slider. Oh, dang. That's what happens when competition gets fierce. This thing just hooked up. First time today. First time today I'm hooking up. Right when it counts, put the competition into the ditches over here. That's what happens when you try to face the fiercest. You might get curbed. How far is the shopping center? Yo, that was the best one. Dude just hit it. Oh my gosh. Pulls it though too. That's the, you gotta be able to keep her upright. My guy keeping it upright. Our guy, the tire guy. That's nice, dude. That's nice. Full body workout. I feel like I'm swimming in an Olympic pool. Back and forth type stuff.
Alright, we're gonna strip Little Caesars.
Feel the turn. It's Little Caesars. Ding dong, get my pizza hot and ready. Hot and ready, please. It's real skiing through here. Water ski. Oh, this is wet. You gotta be skilled. Oh, he pushes it out there. He's drifting third gear the whole thing. What? Oh, can he do it? Ah! That was pretty close. Something to jump off of. Stair challenge. I have to try these. This goes out to all the Pulsar Heart fans. Oh my God! I literally said, I said you're hitting it too fast. I thought your bike was going all the way. You just want to push it down?
No.
I'll get fresh shreds up here though. Make the stairs. Oh, the one-hander. The can block. Oh! Second crash of the nail. Woo! Woo! Oh! Yeah. This guy out here snow plowing. Straight snow plow. You ride like a madman, this is what happens. Snow packed on all these parts. Picked up some essential groceries at the last minute before everything closes down. It's a 911. Oh, they got the snow chains. They got the chains on the number 4 wagon. Alright. With the groceries. Yeah. With the man himself. Look at this driveway coming up, that's funny. Alright, let's see how the PBs do. Oh, he drifts it. And goes for traction. Yeah, the new 110. One time, thanks for a good ride, bruh. Oh yeah, that's from sliding in the snow, getting flung up there. Just a couple minutes for a hole, we got a gentleman busted up, stuck here. Caught on the sidewalk. People have been cutting through here. Gotta have 4x4. You gotta try to rock it back and forth. See if you can rock it a little bit. Get some momentum back and forth. If you end up going back, that's good, yeah. A little momentum back and forth. I guess I could get my truck. Whew. He's starting to dig a good bit. I feel like going back's our best bet. See if we can get this thing. I might be able to work it a little bit too. Hang on, see. So it's in reverse. Wheel straight. You alright? Hang on, let me come forwards. Let me come forwards. Alright, here's if you want to try to push forward, you can try to get some footing. Push back, I mean. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hang on. Yeah. You got traction control. It's like traction control's on. You know where your button is? Okay. Okay.
Man, you are an angel. You are an angel.
Yo!
Thank you, sir.
It was teamwork, man.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. Nothing. I'm Rob. What was it?
Carl.
Carl. Rob, nice to meet you, man. Oops, nothing came out, right?
Nah, man, look.
Woo!
I got up out of there.
You're right. You don't gotta leave it tonight. It's gonna freeze tonight, too.
Man, I'm going home.
Bruh.
I'm done for the day.
One more time.
Hey, man, go your butt home, man.
I just can't, man, I'm right here. I live right here, so I'm happy now.
But see, you got something that can make it through it, though.
It's weird how it cuts through, man. The bike cuts through pretty nice.
What is that?
It's just a 110.
Shit,
So it's like a little pit bike. Little $800, $1,000. It'll do 45 though.
Man,
I just rode to Ellenwood.
And came back. Man, I thank you, bro.
Oh,
You're a
good timing. Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good to see you. All right, bro. For sure. You probably can get back this way, but be careful on that, I guess.
Yeah, I'll get back.
You should be able to pull up and go around. All right. Carl got whacked there. I gotta go back. Are these your boots? Are these your boots, bro? Or no? Cool socks on here, though. I'm gonna come out. Yo, did our good deed for the day. Happy New Year. People are cutting through the closed road. I'll still get home. 2 people I had to drive out today. Hit like donuts. So I thought they could get something. This is a smart person. They turned around. From snow to freezing rain, we're gonna call it a big wrap on the video. The slide guy, appreciate you hanging out for this one. Let's have a great night.